got a large TXV in a tight spot. You see that it's totally blocked in all the way around, and there's no spreading it apart. So what we're going to do, we're going to unsplit this 90 right here, and we're going to drop it. We're going to unsplit this, pull it out. We're going to unsplit this and pull it out. This is a low spot right here. This is the chiller. So we probably have oil down in this line down here. And that's dangerous. With this line over here, I've got a vent right here, so it's not going to build up any pressure. I have a vent up here on the suction. That's not going to let it build up pressure. So this is the liquid line. And this is the suction line. Both have an open vent. And we're going to take this valve out. And we're going to install this valve. So what we're going to do, always have a vent. And since this line here might be full of oil, I'm going to go ahead and make a cut right here. Right next to the weld. When I unsweat it and I go to put the new valve in, then I can go ahead and just weld the cut up. But at least I know there's no oil in the system, no oil in the valve, and I'm not going to get any flare-ups. So I'm going to make a cut here and I'm going to drain it a little bit. So I have a hole, I have it cut right here. No oil draining out. No pressure, we're good to go. You can see I have everything covered up. I've got a valve under here I got covered up, got a piece of ice on it to keep it wet. I've got a cable under here I got covered up with a piece of ice on it. And I'm going to cover that up right there so it doesn't burn when we go to start welding this thing. These cables here need to be buried under a rag that's wet also, so I'm going to get that all covered up. Let me get it set up. So I have that unsplitted right there. This valve is no good, so I don't care if I burn it. I cut the power head, but we don't have that power head right there blow up on me. We've got no pressure on it. So I'll move that up out of the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and unsplit this, and now I'm going to work on this right here. Okay, so we have it. We have it unsweated right here, unsweated here, got a 90 out of here, power head right here. We have this one weld right here to take off and the valve will come off. I always leave this for last because it holds the valve for you while you're working on it. So now I'll go ahead and unsweat this, and this will be the first weld I make. This weld right here will be the last weld I undo because it holds the valve for me. That'll be the first weld I make because it'll hold the valve for me when I'm setting it up to put it on here. So now let's get the new valve in place and start fitting it up. This valve here is 7/8. That's engine 1. I hopefully have a bushing for that. We'll have to take a look. Okay, the valve is out of the way. This is our new valve. We're going to make this weld first. That'll be our first weld right there. And that'll hold our valve for us while we're working with it. Okay, so we're going to carefully wrap this valve. Wet cloth. We're especially going to protect the power head. And it's got a refrigerant charge in it. If it gets too hot, that thing will explode, and that copper will whip around and cut and break shit. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this baby up and we can make our first weld. So I use these blue towels, and I'll cut up strips. I'll take one towel, cut up strips, and wrap it around it like that. So now we'll go ahead and we'll wrap this in here. Okay, so we have our first weld made right here. Good to go. Always use a mirror. Looks like a good weld. Always use a mirror. That's a good solid weld. Now our valve is being held in place and we can move it around and manipulate it and put it in place. So let's go ahead and start fitting it up. So there's our weld done. I used a rosebud for most of the leak, I used a rosebud for this weld, almost all the way around. And then I have my special tip here, which I have annealed it, which means I heated it up and it made the copper soft so I can bend it. So I can get around the corner back here. And that's the only way I was able to finish it. And I'm able to get up underneath it this way. And with that bend in it, it allows it to go all the way around. So that weld is complete. We'll work on that side over there. And I've been taking pieces of that ice and just putting it right on the pipe there to keep it cool. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next section over here. There's our valve welded in place. We have this here. Have a weld there. Weld up here. See how the valve is nicely wrapped, kept cool. You can put a little piece of ice on it, keep it cooler. You can see how I use the strips. Strips of fabric. There's our weld. Valve in place. Now we're going to evacuate it, get all the air out of it, and restart it. We also got to put the bulb in place, but it's lunchtime, so it's time to eat. Make sure that you finish the job and repair your installation. Got some glue. Got some Armaflex tape. We'll put it together and fix it.